If you've been missing important Spotlight Snaps notifications on Snapchat or just want a quick visual cue right on your app icon, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable app icon badges for Spotlight Snaps notifications using the latest updated settings. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your system-level controls live, including notification preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open up all the app-specific settings you can customize. Now tap on Notifications. Here's where you control how Snapchat alerts you, whether it's sounds, banners, or badges. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is an important step because Snapchat separates different types of notifications, and you can fine-tune each one individually. Scroll through the list until you see Spotlight Snaps, then tap on it. Inside this section, look for the option labeled App Icon Badges. Simply toggle it on. And that's it. Once enabled, you'll start seeing a small badge on your Snapchat icon whenever you receive Spotlight Snaps notifications. It's a simple but super helpful way to stay updated without even opening the app. If you don't see badges right away, make sure your general notification badges are enabled in your phone's main notification settings as well. Thanks for watching.